course, and she was a child. She always knew how to get her way. Just act a little bit wild and someone else surely come to play. It's a truth she took to heart, a humility that she didn't come with age. She's born to play with her toddy, but always center stage.
Toddlers raise the ball louder and louder, relishing the unpassable power. Power rising up black and white, sing the one that only candle queen. Stoking the flames that went higher and higher, royalty without crown of fire. Setting a blaze and let's rock again, sing the one that only candle queen. Addicted to adrenaline and always looking for attention. Thought to be so genuine when she suddenly met with apprehension. The fighting has begun and she'd do anything to get ahead, like using deep left leg around and ripping each other into the bed. She just can't help but be this way. She lost her true self long ago. Now all her friends have been pushed away because the caricature is all they know. Toddlers raise the ball louder and louder, everyone rushing to the soul. Oh, her all alone in a black and white, sing the one and only candle queen. Hold the flames that went higher and higher, watching a broken crown of fire. All alone in a final, sing the one and only candle queen. What a pity that can